Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a planner haul. So I placed an order, a few orders around Labor Day weekend, and I will be sharing a haul from Erin Condren, which I kind of already talked about. It's already been open, but still wanted to include this in this video. And then two new orders that literally just came in from Paperie Planning and the Planner Spot. So let's jump right in because there's a lot to go through. And we'll start with Erin Condren. So again, I've already opened this. I've had this for a while. But I ordered 3 of the functional planner sticker books. If you buy 4 accessories, you get like 15 or 20% off. And so I bought 3 of these books because I really love them. You have all of these functional stickers. And then I also ordered some more adhesive corner pockets for my new planners. I like putting these in here so I can store stickers and papers and just small things that you kind of like just want to include in your planner and have on you. But here is all of the stickers that is included in here. I believe I already shared the sticker book a few times on my channel, so just wanted to quickly just show these. I won't do a full flip through for you guys, but yeah, and I feel like these have been out for a while. But yeah, have these two. And then let's go into my Paperie planning order because my Planner Spot order is pretty big. So with Paperie Planning, oh no, she had a request on like different types of stickers that she should include in her shop on Instagram, like right before Labor Day. And I've really been wanting just some like really cute square stickers, like smaller ones. And so she included them. Like she took that suggestion, which I was really excited about, and put them in her shop. So I ordered a few of those and then just a lot of other stickers to replenish. And with the order, you got this really cute fall freebie, which I love. Y'all know I love Halloween and fall, and this is perfect. And then also this ROSIE sticker, and then everything is in here. So let's open this up. So here is another freebie. So we got the 2 freebies. These are the new functional square stickers, and I love these. I love the size of these. I have some from Paper Panda that are larger, that fit in the Erin Condren Life Planner, and I really wanted just to use these in like my daily planner, but these are the functional squares. And then you'll definitely see me using these in my Plan With Me's. I got a set in Stone Gray. I got the functional washi in Stone Gray, again to use in my daily planner. And y'all know I stick with themes. These are transparent. These are not transparent. These are matte. And then, oops, I accidentally got these stickers in matte as well, but I think that's fine, honestly. I have some large dots of refill in Stone Gray. I generally try and stick with transparent, but sometimes I forget to switch over. It's perfectly fine. They work the same. We have some more large dots, the Simply Gray, light gray, and I generally try and do like 2 of each. And then we have just the regular medium dots. These I really messed up on because I really need these in washi since I use these over my times. But we have 2 Stone Gray and 2 Simply Gray. I'll probably have to place another order. These are fine because I don't put them over times, but these really need to be transparent. Always look at the toggle down section. But then we have some more Simply Gray functional washi, and then I also got light gray. I try and stick with like color codes when I order so that way I can use them all together and things will match, right? It's like throughout this entire order I have Stone Gray, Simply Gray, and light gray. And they all complement each other. So we have these. And then we did the same with the squares. So Stone Gray, Simply Gray, and light gray. And then that is everything from Paperie Planning that I ordered. Gonna reorder some more dots. I'll still use these. I don't know where I'm gonna use them, but I know I'll be able to use them somewhere. So that is this order. I have this order from the Planner Spot, and I haven't even tried to open this. It's just so thick that it opened on its own. So, and that's just because I ordered a lot and some washi. So I have been using my Erin Condren Hourly more and more, as y'all know, and so I really wanted to get some sticker kits from the planner spot because her sticker kits are my favorite to use in my Hourly. And let me zoom in just a little bit so we can see better. I got some plain washi from her as well, just for the weeks that I want to use stickers and maybe not want to get a little bit decorative but not too decorative. I really love this and I feel like it complements the stickers that I use. So got that. And then we have a lot of stickers to go through. So I ordered several kits, and just to really like stay stocked up, and I added some add-ons as well. So let me go through the icons first. Okay. So I ordered these haircut stickers just because I've been getting my hair done more frequently, and that way I have them. Paw prints, I got the mini ones this time, just because I thought they were really cute and to fit them more in my Hourly. Same with the football, and that way I had enough for throughout the entire season for both planners. The tickets, I can use these for movies, I can use these for just like random events that we go to, like Comic-Cons for example. Games, just because it's about to start getting cooler in Texas, and so we'll probably go to a few more games with friends. And then I really wanted to stock up on some of the functional boxes for my Hourly, so I got quarter boxes and half boxes, and so these are just sheets of them. There's a lot in the kits as well that are a little bit more decorative, but I wanted to have these just for fun. So these are the regular stickers. And then for the kits, I'm not sure what order these are in, but we'll just go in. So here is the September add-on. I really love her designs and how decorative they are. My birthday is in November, so I ordered the birthday Let's Party sheet just because I love this. I think it's so cute. And then here is the January sampler. We have May. And then you don't need to use these right throughout the month. Like, there's just so many things that are on here, and I typically just use the sheet based on whatever's going on. Here is some more from May. So these are full boxes, and then I think these are like half and functional is what they're called. But you can see that it's A, B, C. And I just love these because, again, I feel like you can use these throughout the entire year. Really wanted those boxes as well. I'll try and organize these as I go through them. And then this kit also had an E. I mixed it up based on whatever designs there were. So some of them I didn't get the full kit, but some I did. This one I pretty much got everything in the kit because I just like the designs. And then we have June, so here is A. I really love this little palm leaf design and how everything looks. We have B. And then C. Again, just love how they all complement well. And of course, I'm probably not going to be using like these tropical ones anytime soon, but I just wanted to grab them so I can have them next year. E. That's everything that I got for June. Just loved these designs. We have July, and I really love like the barbecue element towards this because we do barbecue a lot in Texas, right? And so I got a few of this kit. So we have A, B. Also, you can go to a fair like anytime, but can definitely use these. C, really loved the popcorn for movie nights. And then E, and then same, like they really have like the planning ones and the bikes and just ones that I can use all year round. And then we have an August kit. It looks like I just got this one. September, I know I got a lot of. So this was the add-on. So this is F that I showed earlier. But here's A. Really just loved this design. Here is E. B is the full boxes. It's a little out of order, but it's okay. And then C with the half and the checklists. And so I just got the full kit on this one just because I loved it. Alright, and then that is everything in my planner spot order. And then that is everything that I ordered. I'm really excited to use all of these. I will be having Playing With Me's and my Erin Condren Hourly using these stickers, as well as my Louis Vuitton agendas, as y'all know, with more likely these stickers. So yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.